Fish on. Fish on. Got him. What is up, everybody? Fish Hawk here. Hope you guys are having a great day. If you're new here, consider subscribing. I put out new videos every single week. In this video, I'm doing some creek fishing for trout. It is a beautiful winter day, high of about 40 degrees, sunny, blue skies, a little bit of a breeze. The creek's looking pretty good and it's pretty clear. Hopefully I can get some fish in the net. Stay tuned. Today I'm using my 6-foot light Fish Hawk rod, Shimano Ultegra 1000 reel, 6-pound test, P-line fluorocarbon. Down on this end I have a EuroTackle Z-Spender jerkbait. I'm going to start out with this color. I have a bunch of different colors in my bag if this one doesn't work. If you guys want anything from EuroTackle, make sure you use code FISHHAWK to save some money. Fish on. First fish of the day, beautiful wild brown, around 11 inches. Only one fish from this hole, going to keep working my way upstream. Fish on. Second fish of the day, right around 11 inches. Got him. Go. Third fish of the day and biggest of the day so far, right around 13 inches. I hope the GoPro caught all that. That fish followed it all the way back to me. He was right here in front of me. I just gave the jerkbait a little jerk, made him react and bite. Let's keep it going. Fish on. Knew there had to be one in there. Just caught a beautiful 12-inch wild brownie. This is a really, really good looking hole, guys. Hopefully there's more than one in here. There he is. Yes. Back-to-back brownies out of the same hole, right around 11 inches. All right, guys, we're on a bit of a roll. 2 fish out of this hole. See if we can get another one. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Did you see that, guys? Fish on. Oh, good fish. Real good fish. Probably the best one of the day. Let's go. Best fish of the day so far, guys. Right around 14 inches. Absolutely gorgeous. This hole right here is loaded with fish. I've caught 3 out of here and I've missed a couple. I'm gonna keep fishing it, see if I can pull some more out. There he is. Got you, buddy. 4th fish out of the same hole, right around 11 inches. I don't know if I got the release on video or not. That trout jumped right out of my net, but that's 4 fish out of this hole. I'm gonna keep it going. When you're fishing these jerkbaits, you have to play around with your retrieve. You can do a real aggressive retrieve, or you can do a real kind of finesse, subtle retrieve, just giving it little twitches, or you can just reel it steady and it'll swim like a crankbait. Lots of different options with these jerkbaits. Just kind of play around and see what the fish are liking on that particular day. Today, it kind of seems like they like an aggressive retrieve, getting that reaction bite. Fish on. Oh, good fish. Let's go. Just caught a 14-inch wild brown. Thick,